What is a Bitcoin node? A node is a computer that keeps a record of transactions on the Bitcoin network. It does this by running the Bitcoin Core software. Nodes uphold the security, transparency, and distributed nature of the network. A good analogy for nodes is chess players. The rules of chess are upheld by the global community of chess players. The majority of players are always in agreement with the rules. If one player tried to change the rules, they could not play a valid chess game. The Bitcoin node network is organized in a similar manner. Different types of nodes exist, but they all contribute to verifying and achieving consensus for transactions. Understanding Bitcoin nodes is important because they form the foundation of the Bitcoin network. Here are 4 important functions nodes have. Nodes ensure no single entity controls the network. Each node acts as a referee to verify transactions, ensuring that all participants follow the same rules. Nodes prevent fraudulent activities such as double spending, where someone might try to spend the same Bitcoin twice. By running a node, you can verify transactions yourself rather than relying on third parties. Anyone can audit transactions and verify monetary policy with a node. Nodes transmit transactions and blocks across the network, confirming they agree with other nodes. In summary, a node is a computer that downloads a copy of the Bitcoin blockchain to enforce transaction integrity. Running your own node increases your sovereignty as a network participant and maintains the validity of Bitcoin transactions. To learn more about Bitcoin, visit simplemining.io.